Welcome to the lead training video created by Robogals Monash. Congratulations! You've leveled up in your Robogals journey and are now ready to lead a workshop. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Here are a few things to keep in mind when you are a workshop lead. Number 1. Punctuality. As a lead, you are expected to arrive at workshops at least 15 minutes early. This will give you time to meet the staff at the school or organisation, set up the room and robots, and become familiar with your surroundings, as well as meeting your fellow volunteers. Number 2. Workshop stats. One of Robogals' main goals is to achieve gender equality in STEM fields. To keep track of how we're doing, a record of how many boys and girls that attended each workshop is kept and uploaded into a database. If you are leading a workshop, it is your responsibility to count, or to get a volunteer to count, the number of boys and girls at every session. At the end of the workshop, put these stats into the workshop sign-up sheet, as you can see here. Number 3. The luggage. As you may know, one of the most important elements of a workshop is the robots. Without the robots, there is no workshop. The robots are kept in a nifty suitcase that you've probably already seen. When you have signed up to be a lead, you are responsible for transporting or organising someone to transport the luggage to and from workshops. At the end of workshops, please remember to count the robots. This ensures that no robots go missing, and we don't want that to happen because they are quite expensive. We wish you the best of luck with leading the workshops. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't be afraid to ask your friendly training managers. They're always happy to help. Good luck and see you at the workshops!